Alright guys, so we're off work. Hopefully the audio works with the wind. But we're just off work, hop the truck, rolling to the base, and I think we're gonna do the ski hill trail today. We got some of the squad. Alright guys, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. So, this is the trailhead. We're getting dropped off here, and it shouldn't be a real long walk. I was told it takes probably about 40 minutes or so, but we're gonna go check it out. It's about the best we could do without being out too late tonight, and don't want to be out when the bears are out and looking for us. So we're gonna head out now and see how it goes. We are making our way finally up the ski lift hill rather. Beautiful view up here today. I'm starting to sprinkle a little bit, but I think we'll make it. Feels wonderful out. Try to turn it around, see if we can see this rainbow here. And Stevie here has been venturing off and picking what?
Blueberries.
Blueberries.
Well, wild Alaskan blueberries.
Wild Alaskan blueberries. The best kind of blueberries in our opinion. At least for this season. Because that's the only ones we're going to get. They are delicious, and she's been freezing them, and hopefully we'll be able to take some home. Make some pies or something, maybe some preserves. We did finally get our plane tickets, so we know we're leaving on October 12th. So until then, we're going to spend as much time as we can hiking and trying to get some footage for you guys, as well as our family and friends back home. So, hope you guys enjoy this. Woo!
Alright guys, so it was a lot longer than 40 minutes for that hike. We got back recently. Stevie got quite a bit of blueberries and she's wore plumb out, so she's in bed at the moment. But I'm wrapping some stuff up for the night. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these blueberries, get them on this cookie sheet, get them in the freezer, and hopefully we'll have something good to take home. Hopefully you enjoy some of this footage. I didn't get much from the actual summit as it started raining right after I got the rainbow shots. It started coming down and I didn't have the appropriate gear for the rain, unfortunately. But it was absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy what you do see, and let me get to it. Alright, I've got my blueberries, gonna rinse them one more time, towel dry them, throw some parchment down on this freezer sheet, spread them out a little bit so they don't freeze together, freeze them, and then backpack them and send them home.
Alright guys, so here's our blueberries on the pan going in the freezer. Hopefully they come out alright, and we'll be seeing you. Well, after a wonderful day at work, a wonderful hike up ski hill, wonderful bunch of blueberries, wonderful friends, a wonderful rainbow, and a wonderful little rain shower. I think it's time for a wonderful sleep. We got work tomorrow, 6,000 pounds of head-on fish coming in, so we're going to get to that early in the morning, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a good night.